We're a family business and we manufacture much of the signage for London Underground, Crossrail, Paris Metro. We're a signage and cladding company, but we specialise in the surface finish of vitreous enamel, which has been specified on London Underground because of its durability, its fire resistance. We were established in 1972, but we've been making signs for the Underground for nearly 30 years. We employ around about 150 people. We try to keep all of our processes in-house, so we manufacture the metalwork, we degrease it, we manufacture our own enamels, and we enamel, screen print and frame and assemble the signs before sending them off to the Underground.
I put together all the components that make up what we need for enamel. Main component is glass, or at least we call it frit, which is a synthetic glass, and clay, quartz, and a number of other components to give it suspension and thickness. And if we haven't got the exact colour that you're looking for, it would be my job to put together pigments to try and reach the colour that you're looking for. I'm conscious of the responsibility of achieving that for that person. We muck in as a team.
I'll get the screens from the screen department and I'll set it up on the bench here and get the panels from downstairs, the enamel panels, set it up, and then by applying the ink through the screen we end up with the roundels. The line diagrams are a favourite of mine. A busy line diagram would take somewhere between 8 and 10 hours. Go to London quite a bit and there is like a bit of a busman's holiday for me. Walk on the Underground and seeing all the signs we produce here, up there.
We make a huge variety of signs for London Underground, right from our little SID plates, which are the station identification plates, very small rectangular size, right up to huge roundels.
No one would expect the Isle of Wight to be mentioned in being involved in the Underground, but yeah, there's a large proportion of their signage is made on the island, and it's great to be part of that. The stuff that people don't normally notice, that's where the hardest work can be sometimes. The fact that hundreds of thousands of people will look at these signs and never really think about that, but it's a lot of work and it's good.